We begin this bulletin with the big claims made by Rahul Gandhi as far as Haryana vote chori is concerned. But now, Election Commission is giving its rebuttal. According to the sources, Election Commission is coming out with its own accusations and rebuttals. It has said that there are petitions that are pending in Haryana and they are related to the entire exercise of the voter roll additions and deletions. And Election Commission is saying that pleas are pending in both the seats that were raised by Rahul Gandhi in his press conference. And Election Commission also says that Rahul can use evidence in pending pleas if he wants. So clearly, Election Commission here raising the issue of Rahul not raising this entire exercise or the doubts that they've had over the exercise in the right platform. Joining us right now is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, it seems that the Election Commission is now ready with some answers, and also they have tweeted that they will be countering it with a press conference of their own.
Well, definitely, the CEO of Haryana, the Chief Electoral Officer, he will now have a press conference and he will be rebutting everything that Rahul Gandhi so far has said. In fact, from the Election Commission, what we have understood so far, Anjali, they are now asking Rahul Gandhi why there has been zero appeals. Let me tell you, the first appeal happens with the DM, the second appeal happens with the CEO, and even if you are not happy with the response of the CEO, then you can always knock on the doors of the court, be it the High Court, be it the Supreme Court. So none of these steps were actually followed, and this is exactly what the Election Commission has been saying. Even when the last press conference was being done by Rahul Gandhi, the Election Commission said the same thing, that yes, you have proof, you are bringing out the proof, you are doing a press conference, you have pictures, you have names, you have locations. You should also make sure that all these things, all this evidence that you are bringing out during the press conference, you should also bring it in front of us. Let me also tell you, most of the opposition parties have already had a lengthy meeting with the Election Commission, barring the Congress party. There is an invitation which has been sent by the Election Commission to all the opposition parties, including Congress, but Congress representatives so far have not had a word with the Election Commission of India. The press conference will be done by the CEO, the Chief Electoral Officer in Haryana. He will be putting out his side and he will be putting out the details from the Commission side and rebutting what Rahul Gandhi has said. Anjali.
Right. Aishwarya, do tell us which will be the main points that EC will come out to counter, because clearly Rahul Gandhi with his press conference and his presentation is trying to portray an image of a tainted Election Commission.
Well, definitely, not just of the commission, specifically the CEC, Gyanesh Kumar, he's been at the target of the Congress party, specifically Rahul Gandhi. What he's been speaking about is the fact that when they can find out that there are certain people who are voting multiple times, not just in one state, but in multiple states, then this is something that the Election Commission should look at. Now, ironically, this is exactly why the Election Commission has been batting for the SIR, and he's saying that this is exactly the reason why we need a complete, thorough revision of the poll list. This is what SIR actually is. The BJP on the other side, Anjali, let me tell you, is now pointing fingers and saying that you need to follow the process, and that's exactly what the Election Commission also has been turning at and saying that okay, you have proof, but when those 45 days were actually given to you, why was not a single appeal filed by you? Why your BLA is not telling you these things now? You are now doing it after 6 months when there is no legal recourse that you can actually follow. So with regards to that, a tug of war of sorts we are seeing taking place between the ECI and the Congress. The Congress saying that they have evidence, bringing out proof, pictures and even videos, and people are speaking on the stage with regards to their names being deleted. The Election Commission saying, we understand you have proof, but there is a legal process that you need to follow. Why are you not following that process is the big question the Election Commission is now asking Rahul Gandhi.
Right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for all those details. So clearly, Election Commission now readying itself to answer to Rahul Gandhi's claims.